Between a successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is not successful, which one will you go for?
A loyal man who isn't successful.
Why?
You're successful and you're not loyal. I won't be happy in the relationship.
Loyalty is everything to me.
Me, I like money.
Yeah, the way economy has done it. We're not thinking about loyal law.
Money is not really important.
So what I told you once?
A loyal man who will be responsible for like all my financial problems.
What the fuck? Some people, like you all know, I'm still your boy Ashavi. Let me ask you this question. Between a successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is not successful, which one will you choose? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's go! What's your name?
Akusia.
Okay, the question is a successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is not successful. So which one are you going for?
It's about to go down.
So this one. Yeah, the way economy has done it. We're not thinking about loyal law.
You make a big mistake.
Maybe there, to be honest, I'll go for a successful man who's not loyal.
Hey, really? Why? Is it go forward?
Hey, because like, I'm young. I'm not ready to settle. So yeah, I'm thinking about money.
There is hope.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
We know.
I know.
Yeah. So you get me?
Yeah. So even if the man is not loyal but has the kwacha, has the money, you are in.
Yes, I'm in. I'm in. I'm not thinking about the lawyer. I'm thinking about the money.
What if the man breaks your heart?
You will not break my heart because I'm thinking about the money. The only way you will break my heart is if the money finishes. So.
Let them know your Instagram or Snap handle.
Oh, Akusia 1 2 3. You will do it for it.
Hey, what's your name?
Nah,
Now what?
Amali.
Na Amale. Between a successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is not successful, which one will you go for?
Let's go.
I'll go for the loyal one
Okay.
Loyal one. Why?
because I don't really need anything like that from
Hey.
the guy or anything.
Are you sure?
So let's say if you're dating there, you're not expecting anything from the man or the guy.
Oh, I have parents.
This is a woman.
Wow. So you're DB, right?
Oh, I'm okay.
I'm okay. Wow. Okay, so now the guy that you are there with right now, meaning you're not demanding anything from him.
For what?
Oh no,
Mm.
yeah, all students.
I tell you,
Students.
you
Yeah,
are too much.
But why is it
yeah,
that
yeah.
most of the ladies they don't know this?
it's their mindset.
Okay.
Snapchat at mails.an.
So can the guys DM you?
You know,
Why is that? Why?
Why?
I'll reply.
A successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is not successful. Which one will you go for?
I don't want any of them.
Ah,
He shock you.
why?
They all have trouble. I don't want trouble.
Oh, okay, they all have trouble.
You don't know.
Why is in that?
A broke guy, no. A cheat, no.
Look at what he's talking about.
I don't care if you have money or whatever. I just don't want any of them.
But here's the case here: the successful man, just that he's not loyal, but he has the money. He can give anything to you.
No, please. I won't venture. I won't go there.
What about a loyal man who has nothing?
No, I don't want to be the breadwinner. Otherwise, when it comes to respecting him, I'm sure there is going to be like hitches and all of that. I don't want that.
Okay, so what I told you once.
A loyal man who will be responsible for like all my financial problems.
So you want a loyal man, a man that will be responsible for all of your financial.
Yes.
We don't do that here.
And my children as well.
So what will you be doing?
I'll be working. I'll be
And your money?
I'll be taking care of my parents and other people I want to.
If you know fear of man, you die fast.
I know your husband.
No, please.
Blood of Jesus.
Hey,
You crush me.
the money that you get now, you not give your husband some. Like,
No, please. I won't give it to him.
Me for serious if you me come tonight.
I'll give it to other people who really need it.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
What did you say?
I'll give it to other people who really need it.
so meaning your husband doesn't need the money.
No. He
But
has
you
to
do you
be
know
a
man?
man. That's why he's a man.
You let them know your Instagram or Snap handle.
No, it's fine.
What's your name?
Josephine.
Josephine. Okay, Joe. A successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is not successful. Which one will you go for? Asere.
Successful but not loyal. Then
And loyal but not successful.
okay. Loyal but not successful.
Are you sure?
That's your answer.
Yeah, I'll choose loyalty.
Why?
Because you're successful and you're not loyal. I won't be happy in the relationship. And if you're not loyal, but if you're loyal and then you're not successful, who knows?
Who knows tomorrow?
You might become successful one day. Eh.
So in the course of that relationship with that loyal man who is not successful, meaning maybe you won't get what you want.
How?
Like let's say the person will not give you money, maybe he cannot provide your needs. So how are you going to do about that?
Oh, my parents will provide for me.
I tell you, you are too much. Why you are there?
Yeah.
So you're one of the ladies that don't depend on guys when dating.
Yeah.
It is certain.
Okay, so the guy that you're there with right now, is he loyal?
I'm not with anyone.
Sure?
Yeah.
Hey, guys. I should have you're lying.
I'm not lying.
Let us know your Instagram or Snap handle.
Okay, my Instagram is Pretty Little Jojo, and then my Snap is the same name, Pretty Little Jojo.
And the guys DM you.
Sure.
The lawyer guys.
Yeah.
If you know bounce them.
Oh, we'll see.
Very interesting.
What's your name?
Adela.
Adela. And you?
I'm Delali.
Delali. A successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is not successful. Which one will you choose? Delali.
I'd go for a loyal man who isn't successful.
Why?
Loyalty is everything to me.
Okay.
It would be better for him to be loyal to me, and then I think money is not really important.
What did you say?
It's important.
It's not important
No,
to
no,
you.
wait. It is, but it's not everything in a relationship.
Really?
So I wouldn't say I'm going for someone who has the money and then is sleeping around, not loyal to me. Like, no, I don't want that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me come back to you. What about you? Which one will you go for? A successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is not successful. Which one?
This is so difficult. But
Come on.
me, I like money. So a successful man who is not loyal, I'll go for.
Hey.
Yes.
So meaning if you are dating a successful man that is not loyal and the money got finished, what will you do?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
If I'm dating a successful man and the money gets finished, I'm sure by that time I would have gotten a lot from him, so I can leave.
You are in for the money.
I'm not in for the money, I'm in for the money and love. But if you are not being faithful to me after we've gone far, I will focus on the money. Who doesn't want money? We all want money.
This is where they come on in a spiritual.
Okay, so Delali, the guy that you are there with right now, is he loyal?
I don't have anyone. I'm single at the moment.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I am.
They are watching now.
Oh, I am. I'm single.
For what?
So you can they know your Instagram or Snap handle?
We.
Snap handle, Sika. Yeah, when you search Sika, Dear Ducci.
And the guys DM you.
Sure, they can.
The lawyer guy.
They can shoot their shot.
Okay. Sure?
They shouldn't try.
Hey, why? So let them know your Instagram or Snap handle.
My snap handle, Mr. Jekun. And then it's the same for my Instagram handle. Yeah.
So can the guys DM you?
They can, but I don't know whether I'll have time for them.
Your mother.
So as for her, they shouldn't try, but you they can.
They can, but I'm not sure I'll have time for them.
How? When?
Why?
I'm very busy.
What's your name?
Juanita.
Juanita. A successful man that is not loyal and a loyal guy who is not successful. Which one will you go for?
I like a loyal guy.
Mm.
Yeah.
Why?
Because he can't cheat on you. They should be loyal to you, yeah. That's what I can say.
They play. Just they play.
Every day, let's say your guy, he's a loyal man, but he doesn't have anything. So what are you going to eat?
I'll be just satisfied.
With what?
with anything.
Bisika huaton, sika winya chema.
If you don't have money, but we can work, but not like don't. Okay, me, I like it like that. Yeah,
Okay. Meaning you're cool if your guy doesn't have money, but
yeah, I'm cool.
he keeps being real with you.
Yeah, I'm cool.
Are you trying to tell me that you don't demand any money from your guy right now?
Not too much.
You demand, but not too much.
Yeah,
And does he provide?
yeah,
Can you shout out to him?
yeah. Hi, Prince Leo. I know you're fine. I really love you.
Love goes sweet too.
Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
Mary.
Mary. Okay, Mary. So the thing is, a successful man who is not loyal and a loyal man who is successful. Which one will you go for?
Successful man who is not loyal.
Minim said the obayaro.
Why?
He's successful. He's not loyal, so I can also not be loyal. It's a win-win situation.
Meaning you don't mind if maybe your partner is not loyal.
Class is successful. It's okay.
Jesus is Lord.
So meaning you can never date a guy who is not successful.
Of course. Spending my all this time at school and I'll date you, you're not successful.
So the guy that you're dating right now, is he successful?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Is he loyal?
Yes.
He be lie.
Can you give me a shout out?
Oh no.
Are you seriously?
Why? So me too, you are not loyal.
It's not like that. Like I'm not
Look into the comment. It's like what? It's like what?
it's not like that.
What is it like?
Nah.
Come on, tell them.
Okay, shout out to Godwin from Shah Hills.
Wait.
Yes, this is Ace Candy Charlie. Welcome to Ashavin Studios. Subscribe to the channel, put us on post notification, Charlie. I go join them very soon. We go to shoot content, so watch out for this space. Ashavin Studios. Subscribe on YouTube channel. We out.